Okay, this is the Corsound 20 Mark I on the trailer to show you. See, we have a spare there, a galvanized trailer that was built for her, because a lot of these things will be covered up. This is the track on which the Dodger rides that you see inside. We have crutches on both ends that fit into the mast steps, and give you a picture of her all open, and then I will rig her and show her to you again. We have floorboards here that fit over this side, so I'll have them installed. And this is a setup for a battery. It's a hold down to hold a battery. We fooled with putting a battery in there the first time or second time we ran her in the Everglades Challenge. Okay, now that she's rigged, let's go up and have another look around. We have our LED nav light here on the bow. You can see up here we have the snotter and the halyard, both led aft on the starboard side, and the downhaul led aft on the port side. And we have the Dodger there. She's a little wet to windward. And we have mounted here the floorboard bed. Kids like to get out of the sun. There's a lot of storage up front. Centerboard trunk. Back here, the rudder. And as I mentioned, and something I want to see again if I can, I don't know if we can see them very well, but you can see, yeah, a couple of these blisters. They don't seem to pop the paint, but in hot weather like this, they tend to show up. And I'm going to come aboard and show you some more features of this craft. Excuse a little wobble in the camera now. Okay, and so I'm going to sit here up on the side, or I could sit down with my back against the side, but these little side decks are nice and comfortable when you're hiking out trying to throw your weight around. And we have double-ended sheet, so you see the main sheet coming back here and cleated right to my right. And then we see it goes also to the other side. So when I come about, I simply step across, throw the tiller over, and in the stern, the mizzen sheet is the same way. See, it goes back and up to the clew, and then back out to another cleat. So when I come about, I'm sitting up here. I have nice access with this tiller extension if I wish. The thing I don't have rigged, but I have here now, is a tiller tamer. We have both a downhaul and an uphaul for the rudder blade. The downhaul will let loose, and you can reattach it if you hit something. Okay, it sounds like the wind has decided to bring us about, so we'll come about. Okay, and now we're sitting on the far side. Again, that's all we would have to do. There we go. So the sails are set. I have here on the side, I have the tack downhaul on the port side. On the starboard side we have the snotter for the main and the main halyard. On the centerboard, the downhaul, one of the blocks is in a bungee cord so that when it hits something it can come up. So it's a multi-part downhaul, and then the uphaul, which you can see here, both are cleated under this seat slash thwart. I have compasses on both sides because it's difficult to see further out at night and read as I get older. I have storage. I have 4 of these compartments. You see under the seats, and then I have this one in the stern with a hatch on it. Trying to think of any other features. Way up front here, on that forward deck, you would have to lower the Dodger to use it, but that cord is a bungee that's holding down a little plug in the hole. The idea was when they had these sails that weren't high roach like these, that would slip over the mast, what you would do is take the main and roll it up on the mast, and then move the mizzen up to that forward position where it was once again balanced. There is also storage, you can see on the forward deck if you look through. I've got that hooked down with bungees. I've tried several other tie downs and just decided that bungees was the best thing. I was thinking if there are any more questions. If I had some more time, and I may get to it this summer when I work on the blisters, I may. I think as every year, a boat, even one kept indoors like this, could probably use another little sanding, another coat of varnish. Let me know if you have any questions. You know, it's a gorgeous day out here and there's just nobody over at the sailing club. After all that cold weather, we've got winds of 10 to 12 and temperatures said 57 when I came through Winchester. Hope you guys are having fun wherever you are.